Hello guys, welcome to We Fix Technology. Today I will be showing you how you can go ahead and add Stripe payment gateway into the Bagisto application. Let's see how it works. So if you go to Bagisto official documents, you can figure out the extension or plugin there as well. But let me make a Google search. I'm going to write Bagisto Stripe and it should show some options. Now, one interesting thing in Bagisto official extensions, you can find so many plugins. Some of them are free, many of them are paid. Here it shows a paid one. It says 99, but I don't know buy that. So let me find a free solution. There are more vendors who did publish. And let me see. Yes, this guy is Von Tony. That's the official website for this guy. So technically, this is a third party plugin, not from Bagisto directly. So some guy has made it and made it open source. Thanks for this guy. Anyway, I'm going to put this link into the description so you can figure it out on ton.com. So let's run the composer commands. You're going to have to first step, copy the command, and let me clean the screen. Composer require wonton stripe, and let's see what happens. It'll take some time. In the meantime, we can follow the next step. Now, the next step is to add this into provider list. So you can copy the class, go to app config and application config, then app, and under providers, add this class at the bottom. First job is done. Now, this is an optional thing. If you are using multiple language option, you can copy this, right? And you're gonna have to go to package webcool admin src resources and English and paste at the end. Let me see. Package webcool admin src English, and let me add it at the end. Done. That's pretty much it. The job is done. Now, finally, we're gonna have to copy this command and run it. Sometime you're gonna figure out the package installation takes time. I don't know what's the reason, but this is what it is. So I'm going to fast forward the video. Okay, perfect. The package got installed. Let's run the config command php artisan config cache. So it cleared the cache. Let's run the server php artisan serve. Now the payment methods are into the configuration. So on admin panel, go to configure and you're going to find payment methods right here. Here you're going to see all the available payment options. Some of them are pre-built and some of them are add-ons. So let's figure out where is our recently added option. Stripe, here we have it. All you're supposed to do, title could be anything, add your logo, secret key, and status. That's pretty much it. Your Stripe is live. So guys, I hope this makes sense. If you see situation, comment below. Let me try to help you out. And if I gave you any value, please consider subscribing and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye for now.